I was saying, I can't do a snore video. I can't do no more snore video.
Oh, because you couldn't do the snowmobile.
No, no more snore video.
Snowmobile video?
Snore.
You do a snowmobile video.
Yeah, because you said it violates, it's a violation on YouTube. I don't know how it would be violation on YouTube of you snoring. And actually, us snoring.
Nobody can do it. Snoring.
I guess it's the way you look on the videos. I don't know. Because everybody else do snoring videos. They got a snoring video like a day ago. It's up there, and I don't know. They can't do it. I just ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna teach that chest right tail picking out. And then your mom doing it. It's just the thing itself. Probably the first time your mom has to do it, but this time it's not. I tried it in the middle of the night, and as soon as I finished uploading, it said ready to watch. It said rejected. It violates the blah 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 blah. So I know it wasn't your mom.
You know my mom's not up at that.
No, it said automatically rejected. Before anybody could see it, it rejected. It rejected before anybody could see it. It's like you like upload a video and it said ready to watch. It just said ready to watch. It said rejected. So that your mom, nobody had seen the video. So.
So I have these phones.
It's under her somewhere. She's laying on it somewhere.
You want one of that picture?
But it rejected, so I ain't gonna get the chance. So I'll wait for a while.
You making a video now?
No. I'll be your hand.
I don't know why it would reject. I don't know.
It breaks the rule of the guidelines. YouTube guidelines.
So they should give you an explanation.
I guess it violates guidelines. That's
what guidelines?
They guidelines on what you can and cannot have on YouTube. What's suitable for people watching, but not suitable for people watching.
How would that be unsuitable?
How do you get away?
Somebody got into a bad accident.